Hello, my name is Tim Cole, and I'm coming to talk to you about a great problem solving website. Um, it's called IXL. It's an assessment, can reflect on different activities or skills that you do with, you can do it with the kids if you're an educator, or you can do it with your kids, have them working on different assignments that they may have in class. Just reinforcement tool. It's a great reinforcement tool to have. It's called IXL. You can use it on all discipline. Starts with pre-K and goes all the way through 12th grade. All right, different subjects. All right, start out pre-K through first grade. You got math and language arts, and second through eighth grade, you have math, language arts, science, and social studies. Now, as you move on to high school level, you have your algebra ones and geometries, calculus, pre-calculus, algebra two, Spanish. You know, basically goes back to math and language pretty much. All right, this is real simple. Once you get on, all you do is just go in and whatever grade level you want to work on, just simply click on it. And here it gives you everything by curriculum that a first grade math student should be learning. All right. They even have it, the page numbers. Whatever you feel like you want to work on with your student, if you're an educator, your child, all you do is hover over what you want to do. It says here subtracting by 3. All right. Just subtract using the number 3s. They give you all different ones. You can click on it there. And what it does, it give you all subtraction with 3s. Here it has the questions. It keeps up with the question you answered. All right. How much time you've been spending on it, and your score out of 100. All right. It's really simple. You go in, put the answer in, you submit. All right. And as you see, it keeps adding up every time you submit an answer. All right. And time lapse, all that good stuff is right here for you. So if you want to assign an assignment for your kid, or if you're an educator for your student, hey, I need you to spend 1 hour on IXL, then it's here. It's documented over here. And you got to have, 85%. So here we keep up with your percentage. And here it just shows how many questions it took you to get to that percentage. So it's a great resource to have for for educators, or like I said, if you want your kid to work on some extra work at home. Now we're just gonna back out of here, goes to try another subject area and see what it looks like. Once again, it's a great resource to have. You can go into pretty much, anything you have here. You got the languages, you got Spanish. I think Spanish is the only language that it has, but you can go here, if you're having a problem with, any of these, like I said, you go to it, it tells you how many skills it covered, click on it, and you can work on it, and it's a great resource to have for anyone that needs help, extra work, practice, if you're doing a lesson, you can practice, and it gives you feedback and assessment on what you're doing and how well you're doing, how long it take you. So Great tool to have. IXL, go there. It's free, or you can get a membership, do more extensive things, but the basics is free. You can get pretty much all you want for free without becoming a member. All right. Thank you guys for listening. Once again, my name is Tim Cole. Have a good day.